करण जौहर ने धर्मेंद्र के डिमाइस पर जताया शोक। करण जौहर ने वेटरन एक्टर धर्मेंद्र के लिए किया एक हार्टफेल्ट पोस्ट। करण जौहर ने धर्मेंद्र की एक ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट पिक्चर शेयर की और लिखा, "It's an end of an era. A massive mega star, the embodiment of a hero in mainstream cinema, incredibly handsome and the most enigmatic screen presence. He is and will always be a bona fide legend of Indian cinema, defining and richly present in the pages of cinema history, but mostly he was the best human being. He was so loved by everyone in our industry. He only had immense love and positivity for everyone. His blessings, his hug, and his incredible warmth will be missed more than words can describe. Today, there is a gaping hole in our industry, a space that can never be filled by anyone. There will always be the one and only Dharamji. We love you, kind sir. We will miss you so much. The heavens are blessed today. It will always be my blessing to have worked with you. And my heart says with respect, reverence and love, abhi na jao chhod ke, कि दिल अभी भरा नहीं, ओम शांति." कई सारे लोगों ने करण जौहर के इस पोस्ट पर कमेंट भी किया है और लिखा है, "रेस्ट इन ब्लिस सर, R.I.P. Gem, R.I.P. Legend. Literally shocked and devastated the way he lived his life, an inspiration for the generation. R.I.P. Hero, true legend. Om Shanti. May his soul rest in peace. Om Shanti." बीते कुछ दिनों से ऐसी खबरें आ रही थी कि धर्मेंद्र की तबीयत ठीक नहीं है और उन्हें ब्रीच कैंडी हॉस्पिटल भी एडमिट करवाया गया था। उसके बाद धर्मेंद्र डिस्चार्ज हुए थे और वो अपने घर चले गए थे, लेकिन तब भी ऐसा कहा गया था कि उनकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है। हालांकि बीते कुछ दिनों ऐसी भी खबरें आई कि धर्मेंद्र शायद रिकवर कर रहे हैं और उनकी फैमिली उनके 90th बर्थडे की तैयारी काफी जोरों शोरों से कर रही है। तो वहीं पर आज सुबह ही धर्मेंद्र के घर के बाहर एक एम्बुलेंस स्पॉट की गई और वहीं पर फैमिली मेंबर्स को भी क्रीमेटोरियम के बाहर देखा गया और साथ साथ करण जौहर के इस पोस्ट ने इस बात की पुष्टि कर दी कि धर्म जी नहीं रहे। जो भी है, धर्म जी के फैंस काफी ज्यादा सदमे में हैं और साथ साथ बॉलीवुड ने खो दिया है उसका ओरिजिनल ही मैन।
देखिए हेमा मालिनी, मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा, देखिए हेमा मालिनी अंदर जा रही है। देखिए हेमा मालिनी के साथ
आ गया।
अरे भाई सबसे बेस्ट किलर चलने का था भाई, उन्हें पूरा मिल जाता भाई।
The world of Indian cinema is in shock as legendary actor Dharmendra has passed away, leaving behind a void in the hearts of millions of fans. Known as the He-Man of Bollywood, Dharmendra's illustrious career spanned decades, with iconic performances in films like Sholay, Chupke Chupke, and Anupma, earning him a permanent place in the history of Indian cinema. Family members were seen grappling with the emotional impact of his demise. Actress Isha Deol, Dharmendra's daughter, was spotted covering her face, avoiding the media cameras as she struggled to contain her grief. Her gestures reflected the immense pain of losing a father who had been a guiding force and an inspiration in her life. Meanwhile, veteran actress Hema Malini, Dharmendra's wife, appeared in a deeply somber mood, her expression conveying heartbreak and sorrow. The couple, who shared decades of personal and professional life together, were often admired for their enduring bond. Hema Malini's quiet composure at this moment reflects the depth of her grief and the strength she is trying to muster for her family during this difficult time. The news of Dharmendra's passing has sparked an outpouring of condolences from fans, colleagues, and fellow actors across the film industry. Tributes have poured in on social media, highlighting his unparalleled contribution to cinema and his larger-than-life personality that endeared him to generations. While the details of funeral arrangements are awaited, it is clear that Dharmendra's legacy will live on through his memorable films, iconic dialogue delivery, and the inspiration he provided to aspiring actors. His death marks the end of an era in Bollywood, leaving behind a legacy of charm, talent, and dedication to the craft of acting. In this time of sorrow, the world joins Dharmendra's family in mourning the loss of a true cinematic legend, remembering him not only for his unforgettable screen presence but also for the warmth and love he shared with those around him. Indian women's cricket team superstar Smriti Mandhana faced an unexpected and emotional situation on what was supposed to be one of the happiest days of her life. Her wedding ceremony, planned for Sunday, had to be postponed after her father suddenly developed heart attack-like symptoms. According to people present at the venue, the medical issue emerged quickly, prompting immediate action. An ambulance was rushed to the wedding location, and Smriti's father was taken straight to a nearby hospital for urgent care. The sudden health scare led to all wedding festivities coming to a complete stop. Those close to the family said that Smriti was firm in her decision not to continue with the ceremony without her father by her side. For her, his well-being was the top priority, and she chose to postpone the wedding until he was stable enough to be part of the celebrations. As updates about her father's condition began circulating, another unexpected health concern emerged from the groom's side. Smriti's fiancé, Palash Muchal, also had to be taken to a hospital after his health reportedly deteriorated. Sources have confirmed that Palash was experiencing discomfort due to a viral infection combined with increased acidity, which led to his hospital visit. Fortunately, the issue was not serious. After receiving timely treatment and being monitored by doctors, Palash recovered enough to leave the hospital and return to his hotel. Despite both health scares, the focus remains on ensuring Smriti's father receives the care and rest he needs. The couple, their families, and close friends are said to be prioritizing health and stability over all celebrations. Support from fans and well-wishers has been pouring in for Smriti, her father, and Palash, with many expressing their hopes for a quick recovery for both. Though the wedding has been postponed for now, those close to the couple believe that once the families are ready and everyone is healthy, the celebrations will resume on a happier and more reassuring note. For the moment, the family continues to monitor both health situations closely while keeping the environment calm and focused on recovery. there are weddings, and then there are weddings that stop an entire city in its tracks, rerouting traffic, triggering major security, and transforming palaces into scenes straight out of a Hollywood fantasy. The upcoming nuptials of Netra Mantenna, daughter of US-based billionaire pharma mogul Rama Raju Mantenna, is one such wedding. This wedding isn't just any celebration, it's an event to remember. Yes, you heard that right. J-Lo herself flew to Udaipur for this epic occasion, and the internet is buzzing. On Sunday, Jennifer Lopez brought the house down with a spectacular performance, closing the lavish wedding celebrations with her signature hit tracks and electrifying dance moves. J-Lo wowed the crowd in a bold, futuristic ensemble, complete with a bodysuit and statement jackets. But that wasn't all. She also brought her much-talked-about concert vibes to Udaipur, complete with props, backup dancers, and her singing crew. The audience couldn't get enough, and now, videos and pictures are flooding social media, with fans showing their love in the comment sections. But it wasn't just her performance that stole the spotlight. J-Lo also embraced Indian fashion, stunning in a Manish Malhotra-designed sari. The heavily embellished sari was paired with a matching sleeveless blouse and statement jewelry, including a striking necklace and earrings. She looked every bit regal at the event, fitting in perfectly with the glamorous atmosphere of this unforgettable wedding. Before taking the stage, J-Lo was spotted in Udaipur's airport, looking as sassy as ever in an overcoat and sunglasses. The superstar landed in India to perform for the high-profile wedding of the Mantenna family, joining other big names like the Khans, Ranveer Singh, and Janhavi Kapoor. From unforgettable performances to a star-studded guest list, this wedding in Udaipur is one for the history books. What a way to close out this grand celebration!